Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today is the day of my glow up. I look like a Muppet. I rewatched my Vlogmas Day 1 and I look so crazy. So today Alicia's gonna help me with my Vlogmas intro. I'm also gonna get a haircut because what is happening? Vlogmas Day 2. Not me looking at the viewfinder the whole time.
That's why I kind of like not having it, because then you actually look at the, you know what I mean?
Hello, Remi. Good morning.
Hey, do you hear me? Did you hear me singing Ari?
Saying hashtag RIP wheat read.
That was here. Insert wheat image. The entire. If you know, you know.
So me and the roommates are gonna go get some Alfred's coffee. Miss Alicia Marie has something to tell me, and I'm worried.
So, my mom the other day was like, I know who Ollie reminds me of.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my god, what is she gonna say?
I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Yes.
And then she told me, she was like, this person, I look him up.
I'm scared.
It is the blonde version of you.
Oh my god.
The elf from Frosty the Snowman.
That is me.
You are Hermie.
Hello everyone, I have made it to my hair appointment, actually on time. This is my hairstylist, he's amazing. Well, let's talk about this glow up. Finally, I got my hair done. I don't look like a Muppet anymore. Hello everyone, I have returned. I'm supposed to be making a gingerbread house, but I'm taking a mini break for some sugarfish because I can. We have some albacore, some sashimi, some belly, some yellowtail, and of course, the famous sushi. Hello, I have returned with a very secret box of things for my Vlogmas intro. Oh, first of all, we have a black tree, very fitting, a tree topper, a black Santa hat, very fitting, as a keychain as well. I wonder if that was intentional. Meet you like the wind. Interesting. We also have a Nightmare Before Christmas onesie. Very appropriate for the Vlogmas spirit. Hello! I was showing them what was in your secret box.
Ooh.
This is my reveal. I am Jack Skellington. Surprise, surprise. Alicia, I need your reaction. Hey,
I love.
Do we love?
Sexy.
Hello everyone. I will be making a gingerbread mini village, but I will only make one because I don't have the patience for all 4 or 5 that are in here.
Yeah.
Oh, gingerbread stinks.
I don't like gingerbread.
This smells bad.
Can you Postmates like a made one at Target?
I tried.
Ask Remi if she's using hers and if you can buy her a new one.
That could be tea. Alicia,
Yeah.
can you help me?
No,
How
it looks
do I
great.
make it look cuter?
Or you just have to let it dry and then, yeah. What do you mean? This looks great. Just put more icing.
Yeah. Yeah, this looks so
Yeah, see, that looks so much better.
Well, no one cares about
You
that.
can do like a little crisscross. You can put white all over the top.
How do you do that?
You just have to go on the lines.
How?
Not with that big of a hole. You
And
can
then-
put mayo on it. That might be easier.
I feel like that's gonna be so... Oh my god, I'm leaking. I'm leaking. I'm leaking. So it got a little too dark outside for me to film my intro. Sorry, Alicia Marie. I took a while.
Production had to take a halt. It's okay. We are brainstorming a few more things. We had a few snags, little bumps along the way, but production will continue tomorrow.
Yes, and also Alicia tried to pull out the lights.
Production will
She tried to
continue
pull out the
tomorrow.
lights,
Leave it at
but
that.
I want to film it during the day. And I feel like I'm overhyping what this intro is probably going to end up
No.
to be, but we'll see. So we're gonna go to Remi's. I'll make it up to you guys. I'll get you the baby content at her house. This is Vlogmas. We're trying to be real on this channel, and sometimes mistakes happen, right, Alicia?
Production will continue tomorrow.
She refuses to let that one down. Hello,
My Vlogmas intro.
Miss Remi Ashton.
Vlogmas can officially start.
Miss Remi Ashton. What's it, 1942?
Oh, wait.
It's gone.
Where did it go?
How?
There's an outage here. Well, as you can see, we're in Miss Remi Ashton's humble but extremely large mansion abode. And she is going to cook us a happy and healthy meal. Is that true?
I'm very excited.
And she said I could help, which she didn't, but I'm going to anyways.
I was gonna ask you. Look it.
Hello, everyone. So Remi promised to teach me something because I'm a big fan of her teaching. What is it called? Cooking with Remi? Teaching with Remi?
Cooking with Cal. Cooking with Cal.
Big fan.
Big fan.
Big
here.
fan. Big fan. I'm gonna teach Ollie how to make the perfect sunny side up egg to go with our dinner. So what you're going to need is a pan. You know, depending on how many eggs you're making, we have 4 here, so we're gonna be making 4 eggs.
I don't have a pan.
Okay, so take the pan. Okay, now I'm gonna walk you over here.
Yes.
You're gonna put it on the back burner. Let's see.
Back burner.
Yes!
Okay.
A back burner.
We're used
Okay.
to being on the
Yes,
back
I was gonna say
burner.
just like on my previous dating life. Okay, now you're gonna turn it on onto low heat.
I thought this was teaching with Rem.
Yes! Okay, that's high. So we're just gonna turn that down to where it says low. The key to sunny side up eggs is low and slow.
What makes it sunny?
It's just a little egg yolk popping up like the sun.
I love you.
Follow me this way.
Okay.
Open up the fridge. That's the freezer. Did you do that on purpose? Take out 4 eggs. Oh my god, my carrots are broiling. Hold on. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay. Perfect. 1, 2,
The whole thing out.
3, and 4. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay, now we go back. Now our pan is warm. We're gonna spray some spray oil.
How much?
Just to coat the bottom. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, all the way around. Amazing. And then you're gonna crack 1 egg here, 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 and here.
I don't know how to crack.
Do you really not know how to crack an egg?
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, you're gonna hit it on the side and then stop it before it comes out. Put your fingers here, apply light pressure, and just pull open.
Yeah.
You wanna try?
No.
I'll do the other 2 and then you do the last one.
Okay. This one in slow motion, please. Okay. ASMR.
Okay, you wanna do the last one?
Yeah.
Have you really never cracked an egg in your life?
I tried in a video once.
Okay. Do you not eat eggs ever?
Not really.
Okay, in the middle of it? Yeah, yeah. There you go, there you go.
my
Oh my god! Oh! You
There's
did
a shell.
it! It's okay, it's okay. Only a little bit. We'll just fish her out. That was so good! Wow!
Is it done?
Yeah, now you kind of just let it cook and then it's basically done.
Wow.
Amazing.
Incredible.
He cracked his first egg. Amazing.
No, you did not.
Isn't she beautiful?
Remi!
She's a work
What
of art.
the hell?
Oh!
I'm not. This is not
What would
okay.
everyone like to drink?
Should we Venmo you?
Yes, yes, yes.
You're putting Boa Steakhouse out of business, ma'am.
I did, single-handedly. Roasted delicata squash, heirloom tomato salad, Brussels sprouts with candied pecans, and
Wow.
shallots, and cranberries, maple glazed carrots, filet mignon with an egg on top, with flaky salt and pepper.
All right, everyone. We're just gonna sit down and edit our Vlogmas Day 2. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and the ladies are enjoying their Twix bars. Delicious. Okay, bye guys.
Oh, my hair looks so short. There we go.
Oh. Bye guys.